Hello guys and welcome to Salesforce Dealers. In our previous video we have set up the Prometheus dashboard and we have also written the configuration file and we have mounted this configuration file as a volume to our Docker container. So if you guys want to know the steps, then you can refer to the previous video. So now in this video we will be going to see how we can configure Grafana. Okay, so let us proceed. So guys, as it was told in the introduction video, Prometheus Grafana Alert Manager, that Grafana is a open source tool that is used for visualizing, or I can say that is used to create the graph of our application on the basis of Prometheus. So in this video also I will be running Grafana using Docker. So if you guys want to know about Docker, then please refer to the Docker video series. So let us proceed with the Grafana. So let us start a Docker container of Grafana. So let sudo docker run -it -d-t 3000 because Grafana runs on port number 3000. That is why we are doing the port binding of our server port number 3000 with that of our port number 3000 inside the container, that the image name. So yes, as you can see, it has started a container. So let us copy the public IP of our server and let us paste it in the browser with port number 3000. So as you can see, it has started loading Grafana. So guys, by default the Grafana runs on port number 3000 and its username and password for default are admin and admin. That is, admin is the username and admin is the password. So when we will log in first, soon after the login, Grafana will ask us to change our password for the security reasons. So let us wait till the Grafana loads completely. So yes, as you can see, so that I told you by default the username is admin and password is admin. So yes, now it is asking us to change our password. So yes. So guys, that is how the Grafana looks. So now let us create our first dashboard. Before that, we have to add our data source of Prometheus. So as I told you in the previous video, that Prometheus is added as a data source in Grafana, so that Grafana should be able to communicate with Prometheus and should be able to create the graphs on the basis of Prometheus. So let us click on the configuration icon and click on data source. Now here, as you can see, first option says add data source. We click on add data source. Now the first one itself is the Prometheus. So we will click on select. So now it is saying data source is added. So let us configure the data source. So here we have to enter the Prometheus URL. So since we are using Prometheus on Docker, so we will mention the Docker host IP because we are using Grafana and Docker on same server. So that is 172.170.0.1 colon 9090. That is the Prometheus port number. Let us click on save and test. So yes, as you can see, it is saying data source is working. So let us click on the Grafana icon over here. So now let us create our first dashboard. So click on the plus icon and click on dashboard. Now here we will click on add new panel. So this is our graphical panel. So here we will use our data source as Prometheus. Now here we have to mention the Prometheus query, that is the PromQL query. So from where we will get this PromQL query. So as I told you in the earlier video, that the Prometheus dashboard, as you can see, a bar is here. So in this bar we have to write up. So this is what we use to check whether the applications that are configured in our Prometheus.yaml, all those applications are up or not. We'll click on execute. So as you can see, one was of Node Exporter and another is of Prometheus app that we configured in our previous video, and their values are 1, which means that application is successfully running and is up. So we will copy this command from here, or I can say this query from here, and we will paste this query here. So as you can see, it has shown us in the graph. We can set the time range. So let us set it to 5 minutes. That will last 5 minutes. So yes, as you can see, the graph is here on the one which says the application is running. Let us save this. Let us name our dashboard as application health. So yeah, this is our dashboard. Okay, so here it is showing the panel title, so you can give the panel name over here. So let us mention it Salesforce Drivers. Prometheus app, click on save. So as you can see, Salesforce Drivers Prometheus app. Okay, so this is how we can create graph in Grafana. So if we will look on the left hand side, there on the plus icon there is an option which says import. It means that we can import the already created dashboard for our easiness. For example, if you remember, we have also set up a node exporter. So what is the use of node exporter? Node exporter uses like if you want to monitor your server, that how much RAM is getting used by the server and how much memory is getting used by the server. So in that case, we will use node exporter. So there are already created dashboard for node exporter. We can import it to the dashboard ID. Its ID is 1860. So we'll enter the ID over here and we will click on load. So now what it will do, it will bring the node exporter dashboard. So as you can see, node exporter. So we will select our dashboard, that is our data source, that is Prometheus. Then click on import. So as you can see, it is saying fetching. So that is how the node exporter dashboard looks. We have imported our created dashboard from Grafana itself. So this dashboard completely says that how much RAM is getting used in our server. Okay, about our server CPU and all those things about the RAM. So if we want to check the storage, that how much storage is there in our server remaining, so we will scroll down and we will go to the storage option, that is storage file system. We'll click here. Now this is the file system available. So as you can see, if I move my mouse pointer to this graph, so it says available 4.459 GB, which means that we are having 4 GB remaining in our server. So let us check it. We will use df-h, we say disk free. So yes, as you can see, available is 4.5 GB. So that is how we can import the dashboards, already created dashboards, and how we can create our application dashboard. So we'll click on save. We will save this dashboard too. So yes, this was our application dashboard, that is Salesforce Prometheus. This was the query that we have entered over here, that we picked up from Prometheus. And this was our node exporter dashboard that we imported using the dashboard ID provided by the Grafana. As you can see, it is saying the port number, host means the container ID, because we have installed node exporter using Docker, and port number 9100. You guys want that you can change the time range. Suppose I want to see the usage of my server in last 5 minutes, so I will click on last 5 minutes. So like this it will show all the things. So I hope it is clear, guys. Thank you.